Good morning, everyone. Glad to see everyone back. I hope everybody had a good restful night. We're gonna go ahead and continue. Let's go ahead and get started. So, just want to say welcome back. I hope everyone's having a great morning. And I hope that you have a great day. Let's go ahead and continue.
The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Days of the week. Today is Thursday. What is today? Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Friday. So far it's been an amazing week.
The month is April. What is the month? April.
Today is April the 16th, 2020. But let's say it all together. Today is Thursday, April 16, 2020. The weather is cloudy, so the weather is cloudy outside. Let's see. The temperature is 80 degrees. It is a little cool. It might get a little warm, but it is 80 degrees. So the weather's been changing a lot, guys. Life skills. This week we've been learning about tying our shoe. So remember, you have received a PowerPoint with the steps of how to tie a shoe. I would love to see you try.
Remember, be active. Go outside, play, run around, play soccer, kick ball.
Our social skills lesson. What is your favorite flavor? Ice cream. Mine would have to be chocolate, but sometimes I like to mix chocolate and vanilla or chocolate and strawberry. So, yeah, that's my favorite flavor. What's your favorite flavor? In today's agenda, we will be working on IEP goals, which would fall under other. But some of you are still required to work on your other assignments. So I will be specifying that through the either text message or email. If you have any questions, you know where to reach me. Here's my email or you have my phone number. All right, let's begin.